Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your GMC Terrain backup camera. First, let's check some simple things. Begin by inspecting the camera lens for any dirt, mud, or obstructions that might be blocking the view. Next, confirm that your vehicle is fully engaged in reverse gear. Finally, navigate through your infotainment system settings to ensure the backup camera feature is enabled and configured correctly. These initial steps often resolve common display issues quickly. Now, let's delve into the electrical components. Locate your vehicle's fuse box and inspect the fuse specifically for the backup camera. A blown fuse can prevent it from working. Carefully examine all visible wiring connections leading to the camera and the display for any signs of damage, fraying, or loose connections. Also, check for corrosion on any electrical terminals, as this can disrupt power flow to the camera. Sometimes, a software glitch is the culprit. Try performing a soft reset of your GMC Terrain's infotainment system, which can often clear minor errors. It's also a good idea to check if there are any available software updates for your vehicle's system, as these can include bug fixes. For a more thorough reset, disconnect your vehicle's battery for about 5 minutes, then reconnect it to fully cycle the system. If the problem persists, you might need to perform more advanced diagnostics. Use a multimeter to test for proper voltage at the camera's power connection, ensuring it receives adequate power. If all other steps fail, the camera module itself might be faulty and require replacement. For complex electrical issues, or if you're uncomfortable with these steps, it's always best to consult a professional technician for expert assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.